Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Identify the clip head to choose your approach because different heads release differently. Use a plastic trim tool for painted surfaces and a thin, flat screwdriver for gaps. This prevents damage. Once you have the right tool, wedge it under the clip head and pry gently. The goal is to lift the central pin or compress the legs. As you pry, make sure to support the panel with your other hand so the trim doesn't flex or crack. Once the head is lifted, you continue the extraction. Grasp the raised pin with needle nose pliers and pull straight out to release the legs. This is how push clips free up. For rivet-style clips, rotate while pulling to break the bond and then lever the body away. If legs compress, squeeze them and slide the clip out. Make sure to move along the panel progressively. Removing clips one at a time reduces stress and prevents panel warping or broken tabs. You're finishing up. Check each hole and clip seat for cracks because damaged clips won't hold. Replace with the same clip type and install by aligning, compressing the legs, and pressing the head until it clicks flush. This ensures even load distribution. If a clip is stubborn, apply a small amount of penetrating spray, wait 5 to 10 minutes and try again. This loosens corrosion or grime. If the panel won't align, don't force it. Recheck hidden fasteners or replace broken tabs to avoid long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.